Hello, my YouTube family. I hope all my viewers are fine and watch my YouTube videos about the Christmas design. So, guys, I am back with another beautiful ideas about the designs of the Christmas deer wish designs and the Christmas centerpieces designs according to deer. So, you like this video, and all colors, all shades, and centerpieces are so amazing, so beautiful, and designs are so outclassed and easily available in different stores. So variety of centerpieces are available. Centerpieces look so amazing, look so stunning, look so adorable. If you are watching this type of videos, then you are in the right place. Christmas festival is coming soon, and if you not the designs watching, then you are in the right place. So gather up beautiful pictures about your designs according to your taste, according to your demand, according to your place. So guys, the centerpiece is a part of decoration, is a part of Christmas decoration. Watch the video, like my video, share my video with your family and friends who are watching the Christmas festival 2024. The celebration are started now. So watch my videos, to like my videos, to share my videos with your family and friends who are watching the best Christmas decoration designs. And in this collection you see approximately 100 plus new ideas, and the Christmas festival are coming soon, and deer beads designs look so attractive and easily available. So like my YouTube videos and share to my YouTube videos, and I believe that this collection is very useful for you if you are watching the best Christmas deer centerpieces designs, and very elegant ideas, very simple ideas. If you are interested in this type of collection, then like, share and comment and share with your family and friends. My YouTube channel provides you the variety of collection, the variety of ideas about the Christmas decoration. So visit my YouTube channel. A huge amount of data available according to the Christmas demand. So watch the video, like the video, share the video with your family and friends, and I hope this collection is very interesting for you. And Christmas centerpieces, a huge designs are available, and stunning ideas, stylish ideas, your latest updated ideas. Hope you like this video, hope you love my ideas related to the Christmas decorations.